Topic 13. My favorite music. My favorite music is soft and calm music because it helps me relax and feel peaceful. I enjoy listening to music every day, especially when I feel tired or stressed after studying. Music makes me feel better and improves my mood. I usually listen to music in my free time, such as in the evening or before going to bed. I like songs with gentle melodies and slow rhythms. These types of music help me calm my mind and think clearly. Sometimes I listen to music while doing my homework, and it makes my work more enjoyable. Music is also a great way to learn English. I like listening to English songs and trying to understand the meaning of the lyrics. I learn new words and improve my pronunciation. Singing along with the songs helps me practice speaking in a fun way. I use my phone or computer to listen to my favorite music. I also enjoy discovering new songs and artists. Music is always with me, whether I am at home or outside. I believe music is very important in life because it brings happiness and relaxation. It helps people express their feelings and emotions. My favorite music makes my life more colorful and enjoyable.